So here we have to find the binomial coefficient. And you want to know this formula. It's n over r. It turns into a fraction where you have n factorial over r factorial. In parentheses here, there's n minus r, also factorial. The top number is n, so the 7 is the n. And you substitute it in. And then the 2 is the r. And then you say 7 minus 2. And then you simplify inside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we got 5. And since there's only one number, we don't need the parentheses anymore. You can write this as just 5 factorial, like that. Now you want to expand the top number only until it matches the highest number on the bottom. So then there's a 5 factorial on the bottom. That means you expand the 7 until you get to the 5 factorial. Here where we have a 2, this is the same as 2 times 1 times 0 factorial. The 0 factorial is also a 1, so you end up with 2. So we can just write it as 2 now, over here. The 5 factorials will cancel out. All that's left is 7 times 6 over 2. You can divide the 6 by 2, and you get 3, which means that this is 21. And that's as far as this one will go. Do you have any questions about anything?
No questions.